On your marks.
Men's 45, 800 meters on the track. In this race you have competing and welcome from Mexico, Victor Estrella Sr. From Freedom Garmin Runners, Mark Williams. Running unattached today, Ryan Anderson. From BTA Track and Sports Club, James Carpenter. And the TNT International Racing Club, Kyle Lanier.
Yeah, there was one guy. Well, he's gone out hard. He's a super fast one. I mean, personally, we gotta keep an eye out. They're setting up. They're really strong to hit. But I knew I was after something's going to get like that. We haven't had time to
60, 61 at the 400 meter mark. That's Mark Williams, defending champion. You saw him also in Finland, won gold in the 4x400 meter relay. That's Williams as he makes his way down the back stretch. Extremely smooth around the curve and down the home stretch. Williams looking just amazing. That's Mark Williams. He's going to defend that title. Get him on in here to the line at the tape. That's Mark Williams. 203.60.